guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let's get into this delicious egg fried rice. To get started, I already prepped my rice overnight, so I have cooked rice here and I'll be using some mixed vegetables. I have the eggs already well seasoned. I use some bouillon and black pepper, but feel free to use whatever you like in your eggs. I have some scallions, garlic, ginger, onions, some sweet soy sauce, regular soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and some fried rice seasoning and black pepper. So to a preheated wok, I did add some oil, and now we'll go in with the eggs. We'll cook it until it suits your preference. I like mine soft, so once it's cooked to my liking, I will remove it and set it aside. To the same wok, I will add a pinch of canola oil, and then we'll go in with 2 drops of sesame oil. We will now add our aromatics, the onion, garlic, and ginger. We will also add our mixed vegetables and we will mix well. We will go in with our fried rice seasoning and the black pepper just to season it up a bit. Allow it to go for about 2 minutes before moving on to the next step. So at this point, you want to add the cooked rice. Give it a good toss. Make sure it's nicely coated with the vegetables. And we will use the press and flip method just to make sure that the rice is nicely toasted and it's fried really well. Then we will go in with our sauce just to add flavor and color to the rice. You can taste and make sure it suits your preference. And then the last thing we will add is our eggs and green onions, and that's it. That's how simple it is to make egg fried rice. I will plate it up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, my version of egg fried rice. This was so delicious and easy and simple to put together. Better than any takeout. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.